The most popular one to use is the email, and that is because we believe that two contacts should not have the same email in Zoho Begin, and that is because it is going to create duplicates and is going to create bad reports. So we can decide to find every of the contacts that have the same email. When you click on find and merge, when you click on find and merge duplicates, Zoho Begin is going to help you to find all of the duplicates that you have, the one with the same email, and it is going to help you merge them. So you click on OK and proceed, and it's saying that identifying duplicates might take a few minutes. Once we are done, we are going to allow you know. And it's saying also here that no conflict has been found. There are no contacts, no two contacts that have the same email. So it's advisable for you to check this at least once a week to make sure to keep your data clean, to make sure that everything in Zoho Begin is nice and correct. If you take a look at your Zoho Begin processes and you feel that there's something wrong, or there is a particular feature that you do not understand, or there is something that is going on but you cannot actually figure out what is wrong, we offer comprehensive audit for your Zoho Begin account. We are going to look at everything that is working and everything that is currently not working, and how we can help you fix all of those things that are currently not working in your Zoho Begin account. You can book your comprehensive audit in the link in the description, and also do not forget to like this video and also share to everyone you think might need this video, and also subscribe to this channel. Guys, we are currently at 94 subscribers, and that is quite low for the content we put out on this channel. So please do not forget to like this video and also share to everyone who you think need this video. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.